Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Reggae Gone, Grammy and Outrageous are expected to fight to the finish in the Flossie McNeil Memorial Cup, Saturday's feature event going over 6 furlongs on the 11-race card at Caymanas Park. Denise Walters has our preview.
With 8 days to go before the Diamond Mile race day, the richest race day in the English-speaking Caribbean, and many trainers apparently targeting the big day, only 4 races on Saturday's card will have more than 10 runners. The Fitzner-Home-Williams trained Reggae Gone Grammy, with Dane Dawkins in the saddle, is returning after a 3.5-month absence and will be carrying the favourite Stag after some good workouts coming into the race. Reggae Gone Grammy finished 6th in the Jamaica Oaks behind Princess Annie, and with that performance under her belt, she could notch her second career win. The more seasoned campaigner Outrageous, the mount of apprentice Roger Hewitt from the barn of Fitzroy Gillespie, will surely set out in front and will have to be caught by Reggae Gone Grammy. The Chestnut filly lost by 3 lengths to Trevor's Choice on October 19. Race time is 3:50 p.m. In the meantime, 3 of Jamaica's greatest jockeys, George Hossang, Emilio Bimbo Rodriguez and Winston Fana Griffiths, will be honored by the Thoroughbred Owners and Breeders Association TOBA at their Triple Champions Awards dinner on Thursday, November 7 at the AC Marriott Hotel. Rodriguez, who posted a statement on his Facebook page, said it will be one of the greatest moments to have himself, Hossang and Griffiths on the same stage.
I'm extremely happy for this recognition of my years invested in horse racing. I felt very honored to have been selected as the recipient of this award. This is so passionate to me, as horse racing has been my lifelong career.
For Hossang, it's another chance for him to see members of TOBA continuing their acknowledgement of his achievements.
I'm very, very appreciative of this award from TOBA, and I would like to thank Mr. Robert Dabdu from Drive Live for making all the arrangements for me, and I'm looking forward very much for the occasion.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.